Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to send disappearing messages on Instagram. So to do that is really simple. You have just to go to Instagram and go to the conversation that you want to use the disappearing messages on it. And what you have to do is to swipe up inside the conversation like that. And as you can see, you turned on disappearing messages, new messages, and reaction will disappear 24 hours after everyone have seen them. And after that, as you can see also, it tells me that I'm recording the screen and because I'm already making this video. So you can type your message normally or send any picture, sticker or anything. And after that, when you complete from it or you want to turn it off, you have just to click on that change icon and choose if you want to leave like the messages 7 days or you want them to disappear once the other person like see them, or if you want to turn it off and come back to normal messages. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and see you in the next one.